he's like, oh, freaking hell, it's cold. Oh, Scooter's having fun.
Look at him go.
How that nodded. If he comes over here, you have to stay out here with him. Yeah, because I'm always saving you.
I'll just go set the apartment on fire. Hi. Big pink raft. He tries so hard to keep up.
He's pretty quick, though, for what he is.
Yeah, but Scooter didn't. Scooter! Then let's get them in the house and get them dried up.